Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest login problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest login problem, you should just go to settings like this where we click. After that, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, as you see, we go down to find the application of Pinterest here, as you see. And then you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.